Hey, this your boy DJ Oreo from Grind Holla Music ENT, kicking over here in the South for my boy West. Hey, we got an event that you don't want to miss. April 11th, going on the sidelines, you know what I'm saying? Rap Explosion 2. Your boy Oreo gonna be in the building, and a lot of hot artists gonna be there, you know what I'm saying? You can check them out. Don't come check out me.
It's going down April 11th. It's the Rap Explosion Part 2. If you missed the first one, sucks to be you, man. Rap Explosion Part 2. Featured artists Dino, King Trill, Young Pootie, hey, Ricochet, hosted by Lady Boss. Sidelines 2900, Dallas, Texas, 75215. Brought to you by Rich Girls Entertainment, Push 61 GMO. Other feature artists, AK, Rock Talent, Maestro, King Super, Lyric, DJ Oreo, Miss 901, Rap Explosion, April 11th, Sidelines, 2900 Lamar Street, BRB Squad, baby! It's going down like flow flats, hey!
This commercial brought to you by BGP Multimedia.
That make me feel accomplished.